Let's meet Aniseh. She's a freshman exercise science major within EMU's dynamic College of Health and Human Services. With a passion for cutting-edge medical fields, Aniseh will share how EMU's array of majors, from public health to nursing, offers endless possibilities within the healthcare field. Aniseh, the floor is yours.
Thank you for the introduction, Alex. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to help people out. I wanted a field that combined art and medicine. I found my calling with prosthetics and orthotics at Eastern Michigan University, where I can learn from the experts. My advisors pointed me towards the College of Health and Human Services and created a personalized path for me. I was nervous at first because I was never great at lecture classes, but my classes weren't just lecture-based, they were also hands-on. It was so interesting to see the application of what we learned implemented into our labs. Right now, I'm working on crafting a prosthetic using a mold of a previous patient's residual limb. It's a hands-on process where I handle everything from casting and molding to fitting the prosthetic. Another project I'm working on is making antibiotics with dirt. We're able to cultivate bacteria and antibiotics from the soil and analyze which antibiotics are present. I'm learning so much, and it's only my first year. The College of Health and Human Services introduced me to a world of networking and outreach. EMU's Occupational Therapy Program includes working out in the community, which helps students understand how to care for real patients. We also work with the Campus Health Clinic and other clinics in the Ypsilanti area. I've had the opportunity to shadow patients and the devices that were created for them, from post-knee surgeries to the intricacies of prosthetic alignments for the legs. I've gained exposure to a wide spectrum of cases. Ever since I hatched, I knew I wanted to be an Eagle. It's not just about learning and absorbing knowledge, but it's about connecting with those around you and gaining those experiences that makes Eastern, Eastern. That's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Aniseh, what a fantastic story. Your journey showcases EMU's commitment to personalized education and hands-on learning. From creating prosthetics to community outreach, she's embracing every opportunity at EMU. Fly high, Aniseh, and continue soaring as you pursue your dreams. That was awesome.